Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is tropical cosmetic bottle mockup. Here is total file is 11 with different design and with different places like a beach. Okay, and these are protected password in this Google Play Store at Sheri as buy now $4.99 for lifetime all password in this app. Follow me on my Facebook page. I will provide every video here like YouTube channel, and here is my Telegram channel. I will provide every link of video first here. So subscribe me on Telegram Sheri SK official. Okay. Now here is high definition files. Here is 120 MB file, and here is 80.6, and here is 173. That's mean high definition. Open this one. Our file is open in Photoshop CC, and here is layer. You can select anything. Here is a far color. Double click, you can change any color, and I know you can do easily. Double click here, open your design, or press Ctrl S, and our design is here on this bottle. Okay, and same thing here. Open your double click here, open your design or anything, press Ctrl S for saving, and here is a color. You can select any color. Okay, very easy. I hope these mockups are useful for you. Subscribe me on Telegram, Facebook, sorry, here is follow, and download this app for password. Take care, Allah Hafiz.